Subscribe to get the news the legacy media won't tell you and only the Daily Signal can bring to you.
I want to, Rob, bring you into this conversation because, arguably Republicans have had, almost 15 years, right, to come up with something that is an alternative to Obamacare. They don't. They never have. So is this moment a moment that surfaces the issue in a way that puts it on their agenda?
I think Nia touched on something. I do think that if people come together and speak out and want to express some level of activism on this issue, yes, perhaps it could. Remember, in Donald Trump's first year in office, John McCain famously gave the thumbs down when they were trying to pass some health care reform. So it's not that they didn't have something, it just didn't get across the finish line to Trump's desk. But remember, there's a couple of things here. Number one, the way that we treat health insurance is different from almost any other type of insurance.
Yes, and Whitty actually mentions this in his article, it being a
exactly. So that's one issue. Kara, probably not surprisingly, I disagree. I don't think that more government role here is necessarily the answer, because I think we can look at other countries and the delays that people have to wait to get the health care that they need. And finally, I would just say that anybody, since Obamacare was passed, can probably share a personal story of how their health care experience has gotten worse as opposed to improved.